Hey there, have you ever thought, can my kid learn robotics? Well, guess what? The answer is yes, absolutely. And no, we are not talking about building Iron Man or anything. We are starting simple, super simple. So, stick around for some fun as we dive into the world of robots made easy for kids. Why learn robotics? You ask. Well, it's more than just cool gadgets. Imagine your kid turning the toys into robots. Now that's next level, right? Learning robotics helps them get creative, solve problems, and hey, maybe even build their future best friend. And who doesn't want a robot buddy, right? Okay, I know what you're thinking. Robots. Isn't that complicated? Do I need a PhD? No. Forget about all those complicated formulas and rocket science. We are starting with robots so simple. Your kid could build one in their living room. Just a few parts and boom! It's alive. Well, sort of. So, what even is a robot? It's basically like a toy with a little bit of brain. It can move, follow instructions, and do fun things like light up or even roll around. And the best part is, your kid can make it all happen. Easy peasy, right? Getting started with robotics is as fun as playing a video game. Instead of programming like a mad scientist, your kid will be dragging and dropping instructions to tell the robot what to do. Move forward. Stop. Hey, dance. High five. It's basically Simon Says, but with robots. How cool is that? Your kids can build robots that roll around, light up, or even follow them around the room like a little pet. And the best part? No need for high-tech labs. Just a small kit and a bit of imagination. Now, before you start worrying about your wallet, don't stress. You don't need to break the bank. Beginner robot kits are super affordable, and your kids will be building in no time without needing expensive stuff. It's a win win. And here's the best part, robotics is for everyone. Whether your kid's into sports, arts, or video games, robotics can be the next big thing. It's not about being a genius, it's about having fun and trying new things. Plus, they will be learning without even realizing it. Sneaky, right? Alright, robot rockstars. Now you know, yes, your kids can absolutely learn robotics. And it's gonna be blast. So, what are we waiting for? Get ready to unleash your kids' creativity. And who knows, they might just build the next dancing robot superstar. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next fun robot adventure. Trust me, we are just getting started. So, see you in the next one. Until then, bye.